What's up everyone, welcome back to So Much More Gabrielle, and today we're doing another episode of food and we're going to be cooking chicken stir fry. Really delicious to eat with so many different things. So without wasting much time, if you are here for the first time, please do hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to be notified each time I upload. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video.
Alright, so I have already put together this spice mix. It's chicken, barbecue and beef. Then I'm going to use it and marinate the chicken breast. Just use the right quantity based on the quantity of chicken breast you have, and then mix well until it is well marinated. After marinating this chicken, now we are going to focus on the frying part. Feel free to marinate overnight to cook the next day.
Alright, after you marinate your chicken, now it's time to fry it just a little bit before we can start frying our vegetables. So we're going to drizzle our pan with some oil. Not too much, just a little. And then, once the oil heats up, we're going to put in our chicken. Alright, so after about a minute and a half, we're going to add the juice of our lemon. So we're just going to let it cook for another 30 seconds, and then we're going to remove it and start frying our vegetable. Alright, so that's pretty much it. You can see that your chicken is really cooked. So now we're going to remove it. This took about 3 minutes. Once you finish frying your chicken, now onto your vegetables. We're going to start with the onions. Once your onions are in, you can add in your 3 peppers, which is your red peppers, your green pepper, and the yellow one. After you add in your vegetables, I'm going to add in the carrots that I have already pre-boiled a little bit, just to make sure it doesn't take long to cook. Alright, so after you add in your carrots, and you let it fry a little bit until everything is cooked, we're going to add in, last but not least, our mushrooms. The reason why we add mushroom lastly is because mushrooms really cook fast. So lastly, we're going to put in our mushrooms. So we're just gonna let it cook for about 3 more minutes until they all blend together. So after you put in your mushrooms, we're going to add in our spice. I'm just going to use like about 2 teaspoons for this one. Just going to put like 2 teaspoons of this spice mix. I'm using chicken spice, barbecue spice, and beef spice. And then I mix it together to add about 2 teaspoons. So the spice is just going to give it that delicious taste. Because you don't want to eat vegetables that are just too plain and not tasting anything. So last but not least, we're going to put in our chicken. This took me about 10 minutes to get ready. And now lastly, I'm adding in the chicken that I just pre-fried. Here we go. This is just going to taste like so good. So now I'm going to add in half a cup of water just to make it a little bit juicy. I mean, we don't really want to have a dry stir fry.